Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create daily journals with AI assistants. So here are some examples. You can just ask to a chat GPT. So if I just give them command to what are top priorities for the day. So I will just tap on it and let's see the answer. So here are my top priorities for the day. Plan content, edit videos, optimize uploads, engage with audience, research trends, schedule posts. So keep your workflow efficient and focus on these priorities for a productive day. So you can just use it for this morning journal prompt, and if I just give them prompt to in evening reflection prompt, like if I just give them command to what were the highlights of my day, and let's see the answer. I will just give them command what were the highlights of my day. To identify the highlights of your day reflected on these areas. So content progress, do you complete or make significant progress on a video edit or script? So basically ChatGPT save my data because I will just tell them that I am a video editor and creator and I will just work on YouTube channel. So it will suggest me on my work. So it will say that engagement wins. Did any post perform well or receive notable comments? Creative breakout through learning moments, personal milestones. Did you have achieved goal or make positive step forward in your routine? And if I just give them prompt like self discovery and growth, and let's see, I will just give them another ask like who or what had the biggest impact on me today, and let's see the answer. I will just give them a command who or what had the biggest impact on my today, and let's see the answer. ChatGPT can generate it for me. Identify who or what had the biggest impact on you today. Consider people. Did anyone provide valuable feedback, motivation, or collaboration? Work milestone, event. If I just scroll down, so emotions, you will see here is the biggest impact on me today. People, work milestones, even insights, emotions. So in this way you can just create your own prompt on your daily journals. So you can just adjust these prompts to fit your personal journals goals or combine them for a more comprehensive journaling session. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.